Hi everyone, welcome back to Hima's unique channel. So today our special video is on Aksharabhyasam. So in this video I'm going to give voiceover in English because many subscribers are asking please give voiceover in English. And on that actually this was recorded on 11/11/2021, which was during heavy cyclone effect. So we couldn't postpone our Aksharabhyasam function. So however we celebrated this one, but if there is any mistakes in my voiceover please forgive me because after long gap I'm speaking here because I have quit my job before 3 years, so I was not speaking English in much, so that's why. So let's get into the video. So here we are making puja. So this is like first letter writing ceremony also we can say it, or vidyabhyasa, aksharabhyasa, there are many different words. So before starting puja, so like we'll keep son or daughter in father's lap, so and we continue the puja. So before starting any puja we always prefer to do Ganapati puja. So Ganapati is like main god for making any puja. We start with the first Ganapati puja, then we will continue to do whatever the main puja we are. Suppose if you are making for any marriage function or house warming ceremony, so that time all like many other functions also we go for Ganapati puja only. This is our Hindu tradition we follow. So it will be different in different areas as well. So here we are doing in temple. We can do it in temple or in home also. So after the Ganapati puja, we are doing puja on slate. So he is going to write it on the slate. So he himself he cannot write. So we have to hold his hand and we have to write the god name which was already written. So after the slate puja, we go for the Saraswati, Lord goddesses. So we go for it, and there also we make some puja with the slate, and we take the blessings from her. So after the god blessings everything, so we'll be writing here. Just we'll check out the video once. So after writing on the slate, we make sure to write it in the rice plate also. So we already written the Om. So in the meanwhile, priest was giving blessings to our son. So actually, this function we generally prefer to do before joining in school. So like in the third year. So without doing this function, we will not join directly in the school, and this will be common for any child as per our Hindu tradition. So this is like we need to check it, right? Like first Aksharabhyasam, first letter, whatever he is writing. So after as per his birth zodiac sign or a star, we put it there. So here the priest was giving the slate because whoever not willing to buy it, for them we need to donate it. So actually we have bought that extra slate also, so we have donated to small child also. So here he is writing by himself. We were shocked and surprised. So we'll see how he is writing. Actually, as per traditions, we generally prefer to do this function in third year. Or in second year, we generally don't do it for any children. And finally, after puja, we were taking the blessings from the priest. So you can see in between the outside surroundings how it was like heavy cyclone. Even the tree branches or the some of the like mantra plates will be there, so those were falling. Actually inside the temple also there is so much of water, even my sari or dresses whoever all sitting, it got wet. So many of the people are under the shelter, you can see over there. So finally, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section. Please provide me a feedback, like what kind of videos do you want. So please share Hema's unique channel and subscribe.